Welcome to our channel Kidslore TV.
Hi, little explorers. Today, we're going to learn the names of some amazing seabirds. Let's sail on a sea adventure and meet some feathered friends. Seagull. Look. It's a seagull. Let's all say, seagull. Pelican. Here comes the pelican. Let's say, pelican. Albatross. This is the albatross. Let's all say, albatross. Puffin. Look at the cute puffin. Let's say, puffin. Cormorant. Here's a cormorant. Let's say, cormorant. Frigate bird. Wow, look at the frigate bird. Let's say, frigate bird. Tern. This is a tern. Let's say, tern. Oyster catcher. Here's the oyster catcher. Let's all say, oyster catcher. Gannet. Here comes the gannet. Let's say, gannet. Kittiwake. Here's a kittiwake. Let's say, kittiwake. Petrel. This is the petrel. Let's say, petrel. Red-billed tropic bird. Wow! Look at the red-billed tropic bird. Let's say, tropic bird. Great auk. This is the great auk. It's let's say, great auk. Noddy. Here's the noddy. Let's say, noddy. What an exciting adventure! We learned so many seabird names today. Thanks for watching, and see you soon on Kidslore TV. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching, and I will see you the next one. Subscribe, please.